Sewung now, your allergy is treated. Because Sewung is allergic to SFC. Sorry, Your Lordship. I came in as a volunteer to help.
Yes, Honorable Cecilia.
What we are saying, the presence of Parliament, the chambers, cannot be accessed by non-members. Even the President is the other side.
If we have those who are non-members,
yes, they should
and they are in the House, will you please vacate immediately?
We know the Sergeant at Arms, he can manage us, but we cannot allow non-members of Parliament, SFC, to take over control of our side. We shall not accept that. You rather shoot us from here.
And
and that will be harsh, but it's painful.
Honorable Member.
My Lord.
In addition, I agree with you that non-members must leave the House. But similarly, I ask members of this House to act in a responsible and mature manner, and to understand the purpose for which we are here.
My Lord, we shall follow your command, and we shall have the discipline. But non-members have to extinguish.
No, I've already made a ruling on that. Can we have non-members, please?
My Lord, further procedure.
Honorable Gilbert Olenya, this is not a marketplace.
Further procedure, read, my Lord.
When the chair is speaking, you do not raise. Let us finish one thing at a time. That there are non-members who are reportedly in the House, please leave the House for members of Parliament. Let us resolve this. I will not permit any irresponsible course of action. Honorable Cecilia, please, let's finish this. You can raise 1,000 procedural matters, but let us resolve this. It's not about hearing you, it's about solving issues. So can we have the first matter which has been raised dealt with? Sergeant at Arms, can you identify those who are non-members who do not have the courtesy to live by themselves, thrown out of the House?
Askari wote ambako wako nyuma mtoke huko muje upande huu au mwende pale nje. Unasikia? All soldiers get out of the tent. Go either behind the other fence or this side. Okay? They are also busy bodies. Mtoke huko. Toka. Okay, so what is his man? The other man from Sewung now, your allergy is treated. Because Sewung is allergic to SFC. Sorry, Your Lordship. I came in as a volunteer to help.
Yes, Honorable Cecilia. I have allowed Honorable Cecilia, she has the floor. What is the procedural point? Have you pressed it on? Press down there. Oh, they're disconnected. Please put the public address system back. Honorable Cecilia, just a moment. If anyone thinks it's more important than others in this parliament, the next time I'm going to order him or her to be thrown out. There is a limit to sensibility.
Yeah, thank you, Chair. I think we need to thank God for what has just happened so peacefully. And I think we need to appreciate what the President has just said. I stand here to make a request on behalf of the outgoing Speaker of Parliament, who has requested to be given 1 or 2 minutes to say a word. And I don't know, Chair, whether it will be done
we have not yet,
before or after.
Honorable Cecilia, we've gone through a process of electing a speaker. People have cast ballots. The outcome is not officially known. People have been celebrating out of speculations, out of rumors, until the Chief Justice announces the outcome of the voting. Whatever else you know is rumor. So please, let us go methodically and peacefully. Then you can make your request and a decision will be made. Yes, Madam Clerk of Parliament.
Item 8 on the order paper, declaration of the results.
I am reading from the results declaration form for the election of the Speaker of the 11th Parliament of Uganda, which is being held this 24th day of May 2021. Olanya Jacob Lokori, 310 votes. Kadaga Rebecca Alitwala, 197 votes. Semuju Ibrahim Nganda, 15 votes. The total number of votes cast were 524. Valid ones were 522. There were 2 invalid votes cast. One of your members chose both Kadaga and Olanya, so wrote both names. So there's no provision for having 2 speakers of parliament. You can only have 1, so that one. And then the other one wrote a name of a person who was a stranger to the contest, who did not stand. So these were 2. Therefore, Honorable Jacob Lokori Olanya has obtained the majority votes of 310 votes. I therefore now declare Honorable Jacob Lokori Olanya, who has obtained 310 votes cast, as the Speaker-elect of the 11th Parliament of Uganda.
Item 9 on the order paper, remarks by His Lordship the Chief Justice.
Order, please.
We don't have
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, in attendance in Parliament today, the Right Honorable Speaker-elect Honorable Jacob Lokore Olanya, it is my singular honor and privilege, a very humbling honor and privilege to have presided over this very important constitutional and national function. For many of